How to stop Spotify from opening on startup. To stop Spotify from launching automatically on your Android device, begin by opening your phone settings app and navigating to either apps or app management, depending on your device. Scroll through the list of installed apps and select Spotify. Once you're in Spotify's app settings, look for options related to startup behavior. On some Android devices, there may be a dedicated auto launch or open by default setting. If you see an auto launch option, tap on it and disable the slider to prevent Spotify from starting on its own. This helps reduce background activity and gives you more control over when the app runs. These quick adjustments help you take control of your device, start up, and keep Spotify from running when you don't need it. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.